trading. Just real quick, I wanted to show you once again. This is my trade on the S&P 500 today, Tuesday. Um, the market is actually still going, but the position that I entered in today was a buy position, and I'm going to explain to you why I got into this position in just a second. But it was a spread contract with the floor, and I actually believe I had this yesterday, or at least looked at it yesterday. I'll have to go back, but the floor is 24.75 and the ceiling is 24.05. Um, I paid $36 for this contract. Um, I entered the contract here on this red candle. If you can see my cursor, um, the reason I didn't enter it here and the reason I waited, one, this was pretty early in the morning. It was right after market open. Um, Here's yesterday's close, and here's the open. We gapped down uh, 77, 74. So we gapped down about 3 points. Um, what I wanted to see was confirmation that this was not the bears coming in and pretty much taking over the chart and taking it down immediately. For confirmation for that, what I would have wanted to see was price to get below this -5 deviation um, and hold below that level. Had price done that, I'd be explaining a sell position this morning instead of a buy position. That would have given me a better confirmation that we were going to get sellers in the market at that point. But what happened was we gapped down. Uh, we did come down a little further, and if you remember, this gray area is our sell zone for the past couple of days. So and again, this is also why I wanted to get confirmation that we weren't going to get below here. And if you can take a look at that green candle, it actually came right down exactly to the -5 and then bounced right off of it. So that to me was confirmation that, or better confirmation that we were in a buy position. I still was not confident to take that buy position at this point, though. This was just letting me know that we weren't sellers. We could have been getting trapped. Anything could have been going on. So I wanted to get more confirmation that we were going to be buying today. So what I did, and sorry about that. Let me just get this off the screen here. Okay. So for confirmation that I wanted to be a buyer, I wanted price to get above what used to be a -0 deviation. These levels, I just pretty much left them on here because the chart has been ranging so tight. I haven't really changed them the past couple of days, but that's not something I normally do. Normally, I update them every day. Um, but continuing on, we got price above that level. And as you can see, which is where my entry was, we got a pullback, but we didn't get it below that level. So that to me was confirmation that we were more than likely going to continue to go up. We did continue to go up. Following my cursor, we got one more pullback. If you can notice, we came right exactly back down to 24.76, that deviation level again. And then we took off again. I was already in the trade here. Again, we paid $36 per contract. This is where I exited. The reason I got out, if you can see, that was an indecision candle. We got some red on that candle after a good strong move to the upside. So, and we were oversold, as you can see. So I did not want to take the chance of us coming crashing back down. We were already in profit really good. We had pretty much made 100%. We were up $35. Again, we paid 36. We were in profit 35. That's 100% return. So anything past that, really wasn't required. It was just being greedy. So I went ahead and got out. This gray box that you're looking at is the range. This is the trade. This is the bottom of that floor, 24.75. And if I can maybe zoom down, it'll be kind of tight, which is pretty high up there. A little bit more. Okay. That's the top of the contract. So that's the bottom of the contract. That's the top of the contract. We got in pretty much at the bottom of the contract. and got out not quite halfway, obviously, but about a quarter of the way, made 100%, and now we're done for the day. And as you can see, we're actually getting some sell signals here as well. So, which is a good sign that we got out at a really good point in the morning. It's 11 o'clock, perfect time to be done for the day. So this essentially was really the trade and the recap for the day. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Like it, subscribe it, share it with some people. If you want to learn more, contact me, follow me on Twitter. I'll get all that stuff updated for you as well. All right, you have a good one. Peace.